I think the most remarkable thing about you, what I like, is your garage. मैंने यहाँ नेताओं के यहाँ रेंज रोवर, जी क्लास मर्सिडीज, जी वैगन ये सब देखा है. लेकिन to convert your garage into a space for your passion. So now let's first check your vehicles.
Yes.
I think the public would love to see this. So what about this one?
This is the Toyota Innova car. It is 100% on bioethanol. Ethanol rate is 60 rupees per liter. Petrol rate is 120 rupees per liter. This car generates 60% of power from the engine and 40% ethanol. Even we can use 100% petrol in this car. This is no pollution.
And that is why you call it?
It's a green fuel. No
that is
pollution.
why you call it flexi fuel.
Flex fuel. And you just compare with the petrol rate. By considering as a petrol rate, it comes to 25 rupees per liter petrol. So 2 rupees per kilometer, 1 rupees 50 paisa or 2 rupees.
I have made some notes that ethanol, if you convert 20% add to the fuels, the consumption by 2025 will be 1,016 crore liters, whereas the supply can be 1,500 crore liters.
There are two things. This car is on 100% ethanol. You are talking about the car where we are adding petrol, and in petrol we are adding 20% ethanol. That is this case we are giving the reference of that. But this is, there is no need petrol. It is 100% bioethanol.
Totally go in.
100% bioethanol.
And what about
the
the cost?
ethanol is from the farmer. The farmer who are making broken rice, corn, sugar cane juice, parali, biomass, and it is, the Kisan is Annadata. Now I am happy that Kisan is turned into Urja Data, and now the Kisan is, now we want to turn as a bitumen data, is making bitumen. And third is, within a year now Kisan will be Hawaii Indan data, that aviation fuel also.
You mean to say that the ethanol which you are putting in this can actually go into the engines of the aircrafts?
100%. It is to be in the process that in Panipat, the Indian Oil is doing the project by which from Parali, rice straw, which is creating pollution problem in the Delhi, that Parali, now they are making 1 lakh liter of ethanol per day, 150 ton of bio-bitumen, and now they are making bio-aviation fuel. And in the petroleum aviation fuel, now it is to be law is coming to our country also, to the whole world, that 10% of bio-aviation fuel you have to add into the aviation fuel.
Let's go see the next car. The next one is your?
This is the hydrogen car. Now I am telling you once, just a minute.
Yeah.
This is the first car in the world.
First ever?
First car in the world which is of Euro 6 standard. A BS6 emission norms. First car in ethanol, because already cars are available in the world with the BS4.
Are there vehicles which can be called flexi fuel in the world?
Because they are running on ethanol and generating electricity, and the both fuel are there. And even you can use this car on 100% petrol.
But are there petrol, ethanol, electric vehicles? Any other? Three
They
of
don't
them?
need to add petrol.
No, I'm just asking that are there similar cars?
Actually, in place of ethanol, you can add 100% petrol in it. There is no
So you
problem.
mean to say there is complete switching which can be done between ethanol and
But
petrol?
why
in this
we
vehicle?
should use petrol? Because petrol is imported. The cost
How
is
much
high.
are we spending on our cost of importing crude every year?
16 lakh crore per year we are making export of fossil fuel in creating pollution in the country. So it is import substitute, cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. And the income benefit is going to the farmer, to the rural agriculture and tribal India.
How soon can we have more vehicles of this kind then?
Now, yesterday I have got a chance to meet with Finance Minister. I request him that GST, this is like electric car. Electric car 60% and ethanol. It is no pollution, and it reduces the imports of our country. So I make the request for making 12% GST on this.
Okay.
So she will consider, and 100% then there will be market open. But
So you mean to
already
say
until
that 28% may go actually.
actually it is up to her to take the decision, but I request.
And the GST council.
And the second important thing is, now we have two-wheeler, Hero, TVS and Bajaj on flex engine, ethanol. 100% ethanol, auto rickshaw, car, and even buses. And even we can encourage people to make this
But how
truck
extensive
also on,
is the usage?
A petrol engine. We can make a petrol engine for the truck, and we can use the same principle there, and we can make it on electricity and ethanol. It will reduce the logistic cost.
This one?
This is the hydrogen car.
What is the name? I have not seen
The
this.
name
vehicle.
of the car is Mirai. The
What does
Mirai
Mirai
is
mean?
a Japanese word, and this both car is from Toyota. The Mirai means Bhavishya, future. In the futuristic technology, futuristic vision, it is to be a future of the world.